planners offer different options and different packages. The way I would do it, and the way I typically see the industry doing it, is there's a day of package option, which is your most economical option, in which a planner will come in and orchestrate your day of based on a timeline that either he or she created or you guys created together. Then there's the full planning package, which is kind of A to Z. They'll help you from your venue sourcing, your vendor sourcing, and then your day of orchestration. That's the package I prefer the most, because you really have a subject matter expert to guide you the entire way. You know, you have someone that's going to be able to understand your vendors, understand your dynamic as a couple, as a family, and really be able to maybe, predict some of the things that might be problematic on the day of, or some things that could happen on the day of, and maybe even come up with solutions prior to them. A day of coordinator, while it's great and while the orchestration might be great, they don't know your dynamic as well. They don't know the dynamic of your vendors as well. And so it's really kind of going in and praying that it works, versus a planner who's worked with you for 9 to 12 months is going to know the ins and outs of your guys' relationship, your families, and the dynamics of the vendor, and how everyone kind of plays well together.